Alrighty team, the third P of the Buddha training philosophy is the pursuit of excellence. We've come in, we've gone through our participation phase, we've then gone into a progress phase where we're actually getting and improving. Then the final phase, and this is actually optional, you don't have to go here if you don't want to, but it is the pursuit of excellence. So if you have something that you want to attain, so for example you want to finish a marathon, or win a tournament, or win a competition, or just something for yourself where you're going to feel amazing because you pursued it, this is the final P in the 3 Ps of our Buddha training philosophy. Pursuit of excellence, get after it, set yourself a massive goal that scares you, but make sure you don't do it too early. Go through that participation phase, go through the progress, and then when you're ready and you feel comfortable, find a nice big goal and go for the pursuit of excellence in what you're doing. Cheers team, bye.